Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Want to give a shout out to Trill, Elijah, One Guy's Our Uncle, Real Vice TV, Jamaica Vibe Entertainment. So in today's video, I'm going to be removing my wires from the panel to get ready for my new panel. This stove wire I won't be using anymore. Also the dryer I won't be using anymore. It's being upgraded to gas. So hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as you see in today's video, what I'm simply doing is removing the wires from the panel for a service change. Also, who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead subscribe to the channel. You can also like and share the video, and also when you subscribe to the channel, make sure your notification is turned to all, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Also, I'm not sure why they didn't ground this wire off. So I'm just going to strip this. As you can see, I like to use a lot of my planing tools. Sorry, Milwaukee.